Hi, this is Keith All, and welcome back. Tonight's tutorial will be on how we can create a custom 404 page in Builderall using the Cheetah Builder. Now, what is a 404 page? Basically, whenever you type in the address bar any website URL or page, and if your search engine is Google, or it doesn't matter which search engine, but if that search engine is unable to find that page somewhere out on the internet, it's going to come back with a standard message stating something similar to what you see here on the screen. Basically, it says page not found. So that could mean many things. It means that the page does not exist. You might think the page is called something and you might have typed it in incorrectly, and there's a host of other reasons why you could get this message. But anyways, what Builderall has done is they were able to develop a way so we can create our own custom 404 page in case someone navigates to our website and types in a page or a URL that doesn't exist on that particular website. So let's go into the Cheetah Builder, and basically what you need to do is all you have to do is create a new page for your site. So go to your main to your site, My Pages area, where it lists all your pages, and come up here to the upper right and click on New Page. And all you have to do is create the new page. However, you must name it something very specific for this to work. Now here I already created the page, so I'm going to go in there and edit the settings to show you what I did. The name of the page is 404. And the address URL is also 404. So you have to be specific. You have to name it 404 for this to work. Okay, so I'm going to close out of that. And I already have this page open, and I created this custom page. And as you can see, I'm on the 404 page. So after you save it and then publish these changes, then whenever you go to your website, so let's say my website is keithall.com / now I'm going to type in a page that I know that does not exist on my domain, which is keithall.com. So I'm just going to type in a random page that I know that does not exist, and I'm going to press enter, and you can see what happens. So and let me just refresh this because it didn't take the changes from the last time I did the update. So I'm going to click on refresh, and there you have it. So I knew that this page called New Page does not exist on my website. So it automatically finds the page called 404 and grabs that page, and it displays that instead, because the search engine could not find this page called New Page on my website. So that's how you can create a custom 404 page for your website using the Builderall Platform and the Cheetah Builder. So hopefully you have a better understanding of what the 404 page is and why it may come up. And remember to subscribe to my channel. And also click on the bell notification so whenever I have a new video ready, you'll be first to be notified. And also please like, share, and comment. I appreciate your support. You have a great evening, and I look forward to the next video. Bye now.